Okay, so the last section of this chapter is involving varying interest. So let's say in a timeline of 8 years, the interest being charged are different. For the first 5 years, the interest are 7%, whereas from year 6 to year 8, the interest are 10%. Okay, sudah. Interest rate dah berbeza. So how are you going to solve this kind of problem? So let's say there are consistent annual series of money going out at $2,500. So the question will ask you, what is the present worth of this cash flow? Okay, you know the value of money depends on the interest rate. Kalau interest berbeza, result dia pun or the value pun akan berbeza. So in order to solve this, you have to partition your cash flow to according to each interest rate, okay, based on dia punya block tu lah. Okay, so in this case, for the interest of 7%, I recolor it with the red color, and for the interest of 10%, I recolor that arrow with the green color. Okay, now for the first step, okay, look at the interest within the 10% period punya block tu. So I wanted to convert this annual series into an equivalent present worth at year 5. Okay, so standard lah at year 5. So if I want to convert it into present value at year 5, I have to multiply the $2,500 with the PA factor. Okay, the negative $2,500 multiplied with the PA factor. The interest rate, because it happened within the orange block punya region kan, so the interest rate is 10% and the N is 3. Dia dalam duration 3 tahun tu je. 6, 7, 8 tu kita renumber it 1, 2, 3. It is within the duration of 3 years. Okay, satu settle. Okay, the next one is actually we don't want the present value at year 5. We want the present value at year 0, which is now. Okay, in order to convert the present value at year 5 ni, macam mana? Quite simply, you can convert it using the PF factor pula. Okay, this is based on previous chapter basically. So, you have to multiply negative 2,500 multiply with PA factor tu, multiply again with the PF factor. Okay, this time around, because you're crossing across the interest period of 7%, okay, across the yellow colored boundary, so the interest rate is 7% and the period or the duration or the N is 5. Okay, so that one is converted. Now, if you want to convert the annual series from year 1 to year 5, quite simple. You multiply that value with PA factor. Interest rate berapa? Because it crosses the yellow color boundary tu within the interest of 7%. So the I is 7% and the N is 5. So that's it lah. You look up for this value in your compound interest table and you will get an equivalent present worth of negative $14,683. So that's how you solve for varying interest. Dah siap. Okay, that is all for now. I hope you really enjoyed and understand the topic of interest rate, nominal interest rate and effective interest rate. It's very, 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 very important. So I cannot emphasize how important it is. Okay, so please study well, study hard, and all the best for your final exam.